It's chapter 8, lesson 6. Okay, it says divide by 8 and 9. Look at the example that they have. It says example number 1. Kyle and 8 of her friends made 63 paper airplanes that will each take home an equal number of. They will each take home an equal number. How many paper planes will each take home? You can use counters. It says partition 63 counters into 9 equal groups. So what they would do is they would make 9 groups. Here, let's do that small one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you put 1 counter in each group, okay, until you get to 63. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and 63. And there are blank counters in each group. Well, I need to count how many counters are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many in each group? 7. So, by drawing, my drawing shows that 63 divided by 9 is going to be, what is it? 7. So that's one way to solve the problem, okay, is by using counters. Another way is repeated repeated subtraction. It says use repeated subtraction to find 63 minus 9. Okay, so look, I'm going to subtract what every single time? 9. Right, because that's the number I'm dividing the number into. All right, so obviously, let's do this. 63 minus 9, that would be carry bar from 6, that makes it a 5. Instead of 3, this is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. And 5 minus 1 is, 5 minus 0 is 5. So you notice that my answer at the bottom was put where? At the top. At the top on the next one. So then 54 minus 9 would be 45. They took 45 and put it at the top. 45 minus 9 is 36. Okay, and they put that at the top, and 36 minus 9 is 27. They put that number at the top. 27 minus 9 is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So I use repeated subtraction until I finally get to what? To where my answer is 0. And then it says I count. How many times did I subtract? 7 times. So therefore, 63 divided by 9 is 7. Or 9 divided into 63 is 7. So how many airplanes did each person take? 7 airplanes.
Divide by 8 and 9. The pictograph shows the number of times each student visited the Navy Pier in Chicago, Illinois. If 32 students visited 2 or more times, how many symbols should be drawn in that row? We can use either a related multiplication or division fact within a family of facts to find a quotient. The key shows that each hand symbol means 8 students. There are 32 students being divided into groups of 8. One way to find a quotient is to use multiplication. 32 divided by 8 equals what number? We'll use a related multiplication fact. 8 times what number equals 32? 8 times 4 equals 32. So 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Another way to find a quotient is to use division. 32 divided by 8 equals what number? We'll use a related division fact. 32 divided by what number equals 8? 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So 32 divided by 8 equals 4. So there should be 4 symbols in the row.
Here's another example. It says every time 8 people come through the gate at the Sea Otter exhibit, a bell rang. How many times did the bell ring if 32 people? Okay, if 32 people came through the gate. So I need to find 32 divided by 8, which the video showed already, right? So I need to draw an array. So it says draw an array or use the inverse operation of division to find the unknown. Inverse means what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So I need to know what 8 times what gives me 32. Okay, or to find an array, I need, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many rows do I have? 4. Okay, so 8 divided by 32 divided by 8 is going to be 4. So what's the missing factor? 4. That's what the missing factor is. Okay, so we know that 32 divided by 8 equals 4. And what times 8 equals 32? 4 times. So how many times did the bell ring? 4 times. All right. So for every 8 people, okay, the bell rang once. And there were 32 people that went through the gate. So it had to ring 4 times. Okay, because 32 divided by 8 is 4. Still looking at more. It says 40 counters equal to 5 groups. Well, this is what this is. There we go. So how many counters do I need? 40, right? Into 5 groups, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I needed 5 groups. There's 5. There's my groups right there. And I have a total of how many bears? 40 bears, right? So there's my 5 groups. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let me catch my breath. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, and I need to know how many are in each group, right? Well, how many are in each group? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many in each group? 8. So there is 8 in each group. So 40 divided by 5 would be 8. 154. Okay. Can we do all those? Let's see, a lot easier way to do that. And let's do blocks. Let's do red. And how many groups do I need? How many groups? 9. I need a 9. So 1, 2, Oh, those are way too big. So I need 9 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll put one right here, 9. And then also what I need, so 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way to until I get 54, right? So how many would be in each group? 54 divided by 9 would be 6. Now those take forever, don't they? Okay. Another way to do it is to use repeated subtraction. Okay. I start out with the number that I'm dividing, which for number 3 would be 48. And each time I'm going to subtract what? 8, until I get one answer at the end. 0. So then 48 minus 8 would be 40. Okay, and then my answer is going to go where? At the top of the next one. So then 40 minus 8 would be 32. Then my answer goes to the top. 32 minus 8 would be 24. Oh, yours are good. And then my answer goes to the top. 24 minus 8 would be 16. 16 minus 8 would be 8. Not 12, 8. And then 8 divided minus 8 would be 0. And then how many times did I subtract? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. So 48 divided by 8 is going to be 6.